hey there yo-yo people, this is Oyo Throw, and I'm about to do an unboxing of the General Yo Torrent 2. So, I got the B grade, but that's only because I couldn't get the A grade. Everything else was out of stock. So I emailed Ernie and it was able to get this one. I got the pink and gray one, so I guess I'm gonna get started. Start with this. It's one of those. Filming this one-handed is probably not a good idea, but whatever. I guess really the unboxing part of it doesn't matter, but I'm just doing an unboxing so that you can see that I'm gonna do a review of this at some point. You know what, I'm just gonna pause the video here and then pick it back up once I get it out of the box. Alright, so this is what it looks like once I open the box. It's just in paper. I mean, I guess you'll know this if you get it from Ernie. I don't know if there's a special box or something if you just if you get it from like Yo-Yo Expert or something like that. But right here it is. Torrent 2. I can tell already the beat blast feels really good. It doesn't come with any special string. Looks like it just comes with a regular poly string. Probably 8 count. I don't know. Alright, well, this has been an unboxing of the General Yo Torrent 2, and gonna have a review of that in a little bit. But right after this, I'm gonna have a first throw of it. So tune in for that at the end of the video.